Welcome to the Hypno Sound session. As we begin to soften into autumn, nature around us quietly begins to let go. The air cools, the light changes, the trees begin to release what they no longer need. And they do it not with struggle, but with grace. And today's session is designed for emotional release, reconnection to joy, and a sense of shared presence. This is a space for softening, for releasing what no longer needs to be carried. And for reconnecting to something deeper, which is your presence, your breath, your capacity to feel. So I'm inviting you into emotional spaciousness, where harmony, ease, and clarity can naturally return. So find yourself a position where you feel supported, where your spine can gently rest, and your breath can begin to flow a little more freely. Because this is your time. This is your space to release what's been held and to make contact with something deeper. A quiet knowing, a soft presence that's always been here. Let your eyes fully close. Let your shoulders drop, as if gravity is gently pulling the weight of your body, of your mind, and of your heart. And as you listen, just know that There is no right way to experience this. Your subconscious mind knows exactly what to do. And you are not alone, because others are listening too. This is a shared field, a space of group resonance.